A very warm welcome to you and thank you for joining me on a thrilling experience on Where is Vivienne. I am Vivienne Sang and welcome to my channel. Woo! I'm super excited today. Today we are going to be experiencing the Kenyan coast. We are out at sea on a dhow, going on sailing. Super excited to experience the Kenyan coast, the Indian Ocean. The main objective of this trip is we're going to be watching the sunset this evening as it's around 5 o'clock now. We'll be here for a few hours. Guys, come along with me and let's enjoy the Indian Ocean. The dhow are a symbol of the Kenyan coast, and the advantage of using a dhow is that you're able to go through the mangroves, as you can see behind me here. The dhow is also used to access marine parks and other beaches besides the mangroves. Village and the Shella town. Remember, we've come from Lamu town. Shella is still part of the Lamu island. Now we are heading towards Manda Island, and we are going to go in between the mangroves. So, and as you get into the mangrove, it gets narrower and narrower. But I'm told the waters in the mangroves are much calmer than what you're experiencing right now.
The sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. Cause when you're around I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be.
I'm really enjoying my time here out at sea, looking at the beautiful sunset, appreciating the sunset. This is really nice and beautiful, such an awesome experience. I'm glad I was able to go out on a sail. It's my first time, so I'm super excited and it has surpassed my expectations.
When you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand.
as the sun beautiful sets down, marking a beautiful day. I am just delighted. It's been an awesome sailing ride, just going through the Manda Island, seeing Shela Island, which is part of the Lamu Island, as well as the Pate Island. Also going through the narrow, channel towards the mangrove has just been phenomenal. I'm really appreciative of the Indian Ocean. Such a beautiful experience here at the Indian Ocean. I've really had a fantastic time. If you get an opportunity to come to Lamu, make sure you go on a sailing ride. You'll have an awesome experience. But I'm glad through my videos I'm able to share my experiences with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. I'm sure you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. So many content that is coming up. Put the bell notification on so that you do not miss on any new upload. Guys, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye bye.